Hey guys, I'm Kelly. This is my channel, Incredible Anyway, where I talk about how to live an incredible life no matter what your circumstances are. This is fun day. I am really excited because I am going to be getting 3 dogs today. So I'm going to be having 5 dogs in my house. Five. Well, that's 10, but 5 dogs. Ever since my parents got a puppy, I have watched their puppy for them here and there if they went out of town. Leilani is now over a year old. We have wondered, because my parents go out of town so much, could I watch their other dogs too? They have 3 dogs total. And I'm really excited to see how it goes. You know, I'm gonna have 5 dogs. Did I mention I'm gonna have 5 dogs? 5 dogs. We'll see what wild and crazy adventures we get into today. Hopefully not a lot, because that wouldn't be fun for me. It would be fun for you. I hope it's just the adventures of cuddling. That's what I hope. We'll see. They're here.
Go.
Hello.
Hello. Who's that? You want to say hello to Kelly?
We're going to Kelly's house.
Yeah.
I don't know if you guys been here before.
Hi.
You're a funny boy. You're the funniest boy. Yeah, thank you.
Oh, he's like...
Oh, thank you. Here you are. I got a 50.
Benny, hold. Give.
Thank you very much. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Did you miss Dad? Did you miss me? Did you miss me? Did you miss all those other people?
He just like jumped to get you. We are outside. My parents slipped out. So Leilani is the little one that looks like Dash in coloring. That is Jojo, who's coming up next to her. That is Gibbs over there, the old guy. And Benny is rolling in the hay. So I'm letting them explore and feel comfortable and get relaxed.
Hi, how's Leilani? She's like, I used to this place.
We're realizing that Mom and Dad are gone. Yes, good boy. He's like, wait, where's Mom? Where's Mom? He's trying to smell her. Let's go. So I can corral everybody. Benny, go through. Or stand in the way of the door. Shut the guest bathroom. Come here, baby. Here she is. There's Joe. I knew you would come. Yeah, you come to sleep. Hey, buddy. Where's your brother? Thanks, Dash. You're so jealous. She's a little unsure, Dashy, so we want to make her feel confident. Hi, Gibbers. Oh, maybe it came from my shoes. Oh, yeah. I stepped in poop. Oh, boy, yeah. That's a cool girl. To listen. Gotta check on your sister, make sure she's okay. She's all right. No, we don't bark. Leilani, quiet. Okay. It's our gifts. It took a while. Hi, how's the sweet girl? Oh, handsome. How's the old man? You happy your cousin's here? It's like I'm a little jealous. You're the golden boy. Nobody's like you. This is like little. It's just like, I've had enough. You're so jealous. You're so jealous. Joey, Mama told me to show you where the, come on Joe, where the grate is. It goes through. There's a door there, dude. Did you not see it? It's again? You think throwing yourself? How is that gonna help you open the door? Gibbs is like, you just stare at it, and once you stare at it enough, Ash is like, no, you run it into it. Quiet. We're Cavaliers. Got a few crates in here. I don't know whose is who. We'll leave the light on. All right, now you know. Things you didn't know before you came to Kelly's house. All right, let's get a photo. Good boys and girls. Gibbs is the oldest. These two are probably the same age. Then Benny, then Leilani. She's like, I love you, Kaylee. So, first time ever having dinner. Benny, come. Heel. Down. Down. Yes! 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 Down. Yes! Good boy. He can't hear. Stay. Gotta get Benny into ashes now. Good, down, stay. Down. Yes. Down. No. Down. Come on, Gibbs. Down. Yes. Yes. Stay. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Girl. Leave it. Yes. Leave it. Leave it. Jojo. Down. Yes. Stay. Leave it. Watch me. But he is by Gibbs. Gibbies? No. Sit. Watch me. Yes. Gibbs. Up here. Up here, buddy. No. Leave it. Gibbs. Gibbs. Down. Yes. Okay. 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 Okay, Gibbers, you can eat it now. Okay. 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 There we go. I worked so hard to get him in to watch me, to get him into downstay, and then he just didn't eat. Oh, yeah. Now I'm hungry. It's time for Kelly to eat. Yes, you had a good dinner. You're adjusting very well, sweet boy. Sweet baby. I smell something. Do you smell something? She just tore around the whole house. You cold or something? Thank you. Alright, babies. Let's go night-night. These two, I think, are settled in for the night. Joe Bean. Hi, princess. Hi, we're gonna go night-night now. Gonna go sleep in Kelly's room. Oh, he's really out. Hi, baby. Hi. We're gonna go night-night now. Yeah. Let's go. Come on. Open up this blanket. Usually leave it folded in half for Benny, but open it up. I keep almost calling Gibbs Jack. It's so funny. All right. Come on, everybody. 1, 2, 3. All right, Jojo, we're going to bed now. Come on, let's go. Come on, go through. Good boy. Come on, Joe. Finally. We're staying in here. And jump on. So I have to go get ice pack. And he's like, where do I go? There's no room, Kaylee. All right, I better get an ice pack in my stay. Sit. No. Sit. No. Yes, stay. I don't know what happened, but somehow I'm locked out. I did not do this. They locked me out. How did they lock me out? I'm locked out of my own bedroom. Okay, well, I know I locked this door too, so... Oh, shit. I locked this door. Oh, no, I didn't. Oh, thank God. How did that happen? I always lock that door. Hi. Everybody's where they were. Good dogs. Benny needs to sleep where Dash is because otherwise we aren't all gonna fit on here. So, come here, Ben. Come through. Good boy. All right. They're expecting a treat. I'm sorry. I didn't bring any treats. But you did a very good job. I didn't know you guys were expecting treats. Hi, honey. We're gonna figure it out. Yes. Mom must give them treats. Oh, honey. Oh, you need the rubs? Jojo's gotta check everything out. Benny's being a good boy. You're being a good girl. I'm sorry, I didn't say you. I didn't say that Nani's being a good girl. Dash is being a good boy. Hi. What are you wanting? That's as close as you're gonna get, my dude. He's like, I'm sure there's some treats here. He gave up. Well, figuring it out. Considering this is the first time we're doing this, I think everybody's doing a good job. She's gonna turn and turn and turn until she finds her spot. There we go. Kelly for the win. Good girl, Joe. Yes.
You are not alone in this world. You are not alone. You are not alone in this world. You are not alone.